Health authorities in Mexico are increasing measures to fight the spread of COVID-19. On Wednesday, the Mexican government recorded the first death associated with the spread of coronavirus. Unlike other countries in the region, Mexico has been reluctant to implement containment measures that could further impact the national economy.
Una cosa es, hablando en plata,
Speaking of money, it's one thing for those of us who have a secure salary. It's something else for the people who make their living on the streets. We can't leave these people. We need to support that economy.
In Central America, several countries have closed their borders outright. For Honduran citizens arriving from sea or from neighboring countries, quarantine sites like this one have been set up in the capital Tegucigalpa, where a strict curfew has been imposed to prevent further contagion. In Brazil, protesters in several major cities banged pots and pans from outside apartment windows, protesting the government's handling of the COVID-19 outbreak, which Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro initially referred to as a, quote, fantasy. Concerns are growing over COVID-19 preparedness in Venezuela, where a 7-year-long economic crisis has pushed health services to critical levels. In the capital, Caracas, health workers at one hospital say that water no longer flows through the plumbing.
Hospitals are empty because the medical personnel who work there are terrified. Of what? Of contracting the virus because they don't have adequate protection.
Colombia, which announced a mandatory 14-day quarantine to citizens arriving from abroad, will now block all entry to the country starting on Monday.
I have been an outspoken advocate that Colombians can enter Colombia, and we have a wide window so that what we are saying is until this weekend we are going to allow Colombians from abroad to enter, and for a period of 30 days we will suspend the entry of international travellers.
In Mexico, criticism grows over what appears to be an overly relaxed attitude from officials. Until now, all self-isolation and quarantine efforts have been led by citizens and private businesses. Despite the continued spread of COVID-19, the Mexican government has yet to order the closure of businesses or the cancellation of flights. Manuel, Rapalo, Al Jazeera, Mexico City.